Okay, let me introduce how to drive in this off-highway track. First, I want to show you all the function button. What's the function? Let's one by one. This is air condition. This is about the light and horn. So this is about the speed. This is high speed. This is low speed. So this is the engine checking the fault. Normally we don't use. This is a PTO for tipping. Before we tipping, we need to press down this button. This tool is 6x6. Around here, have some small button. Use this one and also the small down the button. It can come out about the machine, the track, the working hour, the standby hour. You can bring all the information from the screen. So let's see. You can see the mileage. Then if you press down this small button under delete this button, it will come out engine working time, engine standby time. So we will know how is it working. It's for raising the carbon. Unless we open the key, then press down this button, then we can use the down the switch, raise all the carbon. So this is the engine loading. First it's empty, then it's medium, then it's heavy load. So normally we can put on the heavy load because we are working most of the time. It's not traveling. Okay, this joystick, the name is we call retarder. It's inside the transmission. What time we use when we from the mountain come down? If we always use the brake, brake will be hot, will lose function. So we can use the retarder. So you can see this side have gear from 0 to 5. If you want more slow, you can put it on the 5. They can help you don't use the brake. So this is the transmission, the joystick, the gear. So this button is checking the transmission oil level. The front button is locking the gear. If you press it one time, the light will be on. It's locking on some gear. So press one more, it will release the gear. But what I want to tell the driver is, especially when we have load, climbing the mountain, the best way is let's press on the manual side. You can put on the low gear, this low gear. So all the track will become to low gear side. Then put on the first or second. You check your condition, then start climbing the mountain. Don't use the automatic. Don't put on the D. No good. So climbing mountain, always put 1 or put 2 gear. Use a low gear, that's all. Let's talk about how we raise the carbon. Okay, one by one. We first open the key. Let the power come. And press this button. The left side, this button, raise the carbon. And open the front cover. Open our front cover. Then we can come to the battery side. Raising carbon is electrical. So we just need, this is the gear, select, this is the button. until you can see the carbine is falling down that side. It's okay.